project management workshop was organized by the Commission, particularly the Trade Policy Unit and Project Management Unit of the organization, to strengthen the skills, to build the capacity of trade policy professionals in our member states in the area of project management. It was recognized that although they are trade policy experts in the field, that they also need, as a complement to those skills, to be able to manage the projects, trade-related projects. Many times they have received funds, technical, financial support from development partners, and they need to be able to effectively manage those resources so that they can get the results and the impact that they desire as far as trade policy development is concerned. So this workshop was organized in an effort to be able to provide that sort of training to the officials. It was organized in two modules, an advanced module and a basic module. Advanced for those who already have some project management training, and the basic for those who had no experience or training in project management. In terms of participation, for each module, there was participation from the protocol member states of the OECS, that is Antigua, Barbuda, Dominica, Grenada, St. Kitts Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The workshop facilitators were drawn from a company called A to Z Jamaica Limited. The lead facilitator was an experienced project management professional who has worked with CDB along with other organizations in Trinidad and Tobago, so she was able to bring her national and regional experience to the table in delivering the presentations. In terms of the feedback from the participants, generally very positive. Many described it as being very timely and relevant, and that they'll be able to apply the skills and the knowledge that they had received to, in some cases, existing projects that they're implementing at the national level, having a relook at how the process of implementation is going. In some cases, for people who are just about to embark on new projects, they'll be able to apply the skills that they have acquired to the management of those new projects. And for those people from the Commission who also participated, they too found it really relevant to their daily work.